Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to make a menu holder that can also be used as a notepad. I have included in the video description a link to the PDF patterns for A4 and A5 formats. I am going to make the A5 version, which is the smallest one. Let's start by looking at what we are going to need to make this project. But first, I'd like to quickly thank and introduce the partner of this video, Babylon Leather. Babylon Leather is an online shop offering a wide range of leather at reasonable prices. And the good news is that you can get 15% off in the shop with the coupon code LeatherCraftAcademy15. You will find the link in the description. The leather I'm using for this project comes from their shop. It's the Italian oil wax vegetable tan leather, which is about 2 mm thick. So you will also need two small collar button studs like this. Make sure the screw thread is about 5 mm high. 2.5 mm thick rigid cardboard, which we will use as reinforcement, wood glue, contact adhesive, and the usual leather working tools for cutting and stitching. Some links to those in the description as well. Let's start by printing the file, making sure that the print size is 100%. Glue the paper to some cardboard. And here are our templates. Now let's cut the leather. I use wood glue to stick on the reinforcement, which takes longer to dry than contact adhesive but allows me to reposition the cardboard if I make a mistake. I use contact adhesive to glue this leather strap, which I've decided to back up with some leather. Now I am going to glue the back panel. Okay, we are ready to hand stitch. Instead of dyeing the edges as I usually do, I am going to use 𝗂𝘂𝗲𝗂 to give them a natural, slightly glossy look. That's a very fast and easy way to finish edges. And here is the finished product. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching it. Subscribe and like to support us. Thank you.